Despite the concept of the three terms, digital transformation, digitization, and digitalization, sharing some similarities, they are very much different from each other, with theory suggesting that a lack of understanding and clarity of the definition of each of these terms could be the biggest part to why organisations' transformations are at risk to failure today. So in this video I do want to take a look at how the term has evolved so that you have a good indication and clarity in around how you should be going about your digital transformation in today's age. And before we do take a look at this, I want to remind you that ProfileTree are a web design, digital marketing, SEO and video agency, and we are also offering support and guidance in around digital transformation. So if you are a business leader who is seeking support in any of these areas, make sure and contact myself or ProfileTree today and we will be more than happy to help. You can find both the business email and my personal email on screen now, and I will look forward to hearing from you. So now let's break these three terms down and gain an understanding of exactly what digital transformation means here today. So looking at the first one in terms of digitization, and for this I want to throw up this wee diagram and show you this is where it sort of started in terms of that focused approach to your digital transformation journey. Where the first step, digitization, refers to the transformation of analog information into a digital format, as well as the development of digital infrastructure. And what does this actually mean then? So an example of this is probably when you think back to the likes of when paper was used more, where we kept files on premises, but now we're more likely to keep paper-based information on the likes of computer or even cloud storage areas. So even for the likes of conversion of scanning printed documents or photographs, converting audio recordings into digital audio files, or even encoding videos into digital formats, this conversion process is really related to the concept of digitization, where even the likes of storage and compression, where digitized data can be stored in various digital storage mediums such as hard drives and, like I mentioned, cloud storage. And this ability to optimize storage space and facilitate faster transmissions will allow you to reduce the size of digital files without significant loss of quality either. Moving on to the next one, we can see that digitalization refers to the process of converting information, data, or even content into a digital format, where this involves the use of digital technologies to transform analog resources or manual processes into digital ones. And this conversion saw that this would enable more efficient storage, processing, transmission, and the utilization of information. So what did digitalization actually mean then? So this was the likes of automation. So looking at digital tools and technologies that could automate the likes of your repetitive tasks while streamlining processes and enhancing your productivity. The Internet of Things is also an area covered within this aspect, where having a network that is connected by embedding sensors allows you to easily collect data and improve your overall efficiency and functionality. Another part of digitalization is the likes of data analytics, an effective tool for analysing large amounts of data at a given time, improving your decision making and optimizing your processes. And another example of this is cloud computing as well, offering you massive scalability opportunities and flexibility within your workforce. I have completed videos in around the likes of Internet of Things and cloud computing to give you an understanding of exactly what these mean and how you could harvest them and embed them within your own company. So I would encourage you to check them out on ProfileTree's YouTube or any of the other digital transformation concepts that we have been talking about over the past while as well. And if you do have any questions in around any of these areas, don't be afraid to contact myself or ProfileTree today. So we could say that digitalization has had a massive effect on various sectors and industries. So whether you find yourself within the manufacturing industry, or you work within healthcare or education, or any type of business that is, the evolution into digitalization has helped create new opportunities for innovation and growth. This leaves us with the last concept which we're probably faced with most today, and that is in terms of digital transformation. And I suppose the definition in around this is more broad and it considers technology implementation as a whole process where you will drive organisational or societal change within your whole business, and this will be driven by the likes of ICT innovations, new technologies such as AI and further developments to really radically change how you operate or deliver value to your customers. So how does digital transformation differ from the other two concepts? And I suppose it's really about affecting your business models and and how it can affect your processes, your people involved with your organisation, and even the culture aspect and around this. All of the areas of business, all your structures, systems, how this is all going to be affected through a change management transformation. And you can really see from the diagram here how the evolution of digital transformation has moved away from converting data from the likes of IT applications into a more broad concept which covers all aspects of your business. And we at ProfileTree believe that this is an understanding that you need to be aware of in terms of how broad digital transformation can be, so that you can make sure when you're implementing a new technology software system within your business that you understand that this is not only going to affect one area of your business, but it's going to affect other areas in terms of your people involved in your business, in terms of your structures, and in terms of your overall systems and how you operate. So it's important that you really grasp this and understand how you can manage change effectively within your own organisation, and how you can actually spend the time and effort and resources into the likes of your strategy and how you implement a digital transformation within your own organisation. And with this importance, I would encourage you to check out our videos on the likes of the EASL conceptual model, a digital transformation strategic framework developed by Ulster University in support of ProfileTree's 2-year digital transformation process, which could guide you through and offer you a step-by-step guide when going through any type of business transformation today. And on that note, I want to remind you that you can contact ProfileTree at any time to find any support and guidance in around digital transformation and how you can implement the most up-to-date new technology aspects on the market today to really offer you a chance in beating your competitors and improving the productivity and efficiency within your own business. That is the end of today's video. I have left the business email and my email on screen now, so if you do need any support in around ProfileTree services, make sure and reach out to us today. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.